How do you resize a video on your Android phone? Let me show it to you practically and a step by step. So if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. We open up the gallery at first and make sure that you get into any video which you might have saved on your device. You can see it indicated by the play icon with the, with the time of how long it takes. And essentially you have the video which you can play, but there is also going to be the edit button below, which is indicated by the pencil icon. So you can tap this and you can resize the video in a different ways, really, because you have the ability to trim it. All right. And also, if you click on the three dots, you can also choose some other things. Depends on your phone, really. But yeah, you probably are going to have some options on how you can do this. Depends on your Android phone specifically, but you might see some ways to make changes to it. But if it's not the case, like for me, the built-in gallery didn't really have the ability to resize it. In this case, we need to rely on a third-party video editor. The one I would recommend you for this would be one called CapCut. Even though there are more apps and I'm not affiliated with any of them, I just think that CapCut is good enough for this purpose. So you can get it for free from the Play Store. You can open it up like this. And now once you bring in here the same video, which we worked with before, so let me just do that right now. You're going to notice that we will have the ability to change the aspect ratio for this clip, right? So not only can you tap the clip and zoom in on it to kind of resize it this way, but once you can scroll through the options and at the bottom, you can also find the aspect ratio and you can choose the video to be vertical, for example, right? And now you can grab it and make it fully vertical. And also you can move it around and decide which part of it is going to be visible. So that's pretty nice. And you can also choose a different aspect ratio, like the 9:16 is the vertical shorts videos. You can choose it 1:1, a 16:9, which is the regular landscape video, and you have even more options available. So you can definitely play around with them to see and decide how exactly you want to have it. Once you are done, just make sure you are happy with the result and click on export so the video will actually be saved in your gallery. And that's how I would personally go about it. Let me know in the comments below if it also worked the same way for you. Subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.